Hi guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can share your liked songs on Spotify mobile app. So let's begin. First thing first, open up your Spotify app, go to the library. Here it says like songs. Tap on that. Next, you can see here all your liked songs and there is no option on the like songs playlist page to be able to share this. What you need to do is go back, create new playlist, and name it My Liked Songs. After that, tap on Add Songs. Slide to the right until you see song you like. Now, click on the plus icon to add all your liked songs to this playlist. It will take some time because you need to add one by one. After you added all, go back. As you can see, there's all my liked songs here, but it's on different playlist. Now, click on the three dots in the middle of the screen. Scroll down and click share. So you can copy the link and send it to anyone you like, or also you can go and share to any social media app like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or WhatsApp, and share the link of that specific playlist. Hope this helps and see you on the next one.